Hello, everyone. My name is Sohaib, and I am part of the Head Starter Accelerator program. For the first project the, regarding the LLM Evaluation web app, I did not get the time to properly code the application, and but I did create a structure of the LLM evaluation and how it's like how I basically a flowchart of the different type of components and how they're supposed to look like. I will continue to work on this project on my own, but I just wanted to create this template to give you an idea about how I want to approach it. So starting off, I want to create a sign-in page for users logging into the website. That way, the user information will go into the database, and hence we can determine what type of users are are on the website. After you log in, you will see a page with the options to choose the type of experiments that the LLM can conduct and another option for using LLM as a judge. Let's begin with type of experiments. So when you want to, if you click on, so imagine a web page with with two options, type of experiments and LLM as a judge. Beginning with the type of experiments, you would choose a model from a list of models and enter a prompt. Now, my plan was to use the Grok API and choose a list of models to choose a list of models to begin with. So when a user clicks on, the user can choose whatever model that they desire and enter a prompt based on that model. And enter a prompt on that model. You can ask the model to do a calculation showing the result and accuracy of the model towards the expected answer. And the results of the experiment will be stored in the database. You can also ask it to summarize a poem, showing the summarized text and using the relevancy metric to evaluate the LLM model. It is really important for for this project to use the relevancy metric to evaluate the LLM model. Speaking of metrics, we can use use this page LLM as a judge to compare the performance of two different models picked by the user. Basically, how this works is you can enter the same prompt on each of the two models, which will show metrics such as accuracy, relevancy, and response time. And all of these results will be stored in the database. Here, this is my LLM evaluation database, what it was going to look like, where you have users, information of users and their experiments. And then you have, for each of the experiments, you have the experiment runs and experiment test cases. And for each of the experiment runs, you have test case results. And then for each of the experiment test cases, you have the test cases itself. I'm really interested in coding this project. I'm sorry I did not get the time, but I will definitely do better. Thank you.